Welcome everyone. Today, we're diving into the secrets of vacation rental cleaning that will make your property shine. Whether you're a seasoned host or just starting out, these tips will help you create a spotless and inviting space for your guests. Let's get started. First things first, gather your cleaning supplies. Make sure you have all the essentials: cleaning solutions, microfiber cloths, a vacuum cleaner, mop, and don't forget about those hard-to-reach spots. A well-equipped cleaning arsenal is the key to success. Create a cleaning checklist to ensure no corner goes unnoticed. Start from the top and work your way down, dusting ceiling fans, wiping surfaces, and cleaning windows. A systematic approach guarantees a thorough clean every time. Now, let's focus on the bedrooms. Change bed linens, fluff up pillows, and don't forget to vacuum under the beds. Guests appreciate fresh, clean bedding, creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Bathrooms are a top priority for guests. Scrub toilets, clean sinks and countertops, replace towels, and replenish toiletries. Pay special attention to high-touch areas like doorknobs and light switches. Cleanliness here goes a long way. Next up, the heart of every home, the kitchen. Wipe down surfaces, clean appliances inside and out, and ensure dishes are spotless. A clean kitchen not only looks great but also provides a hygienic space for guests to prepare meals. The living room is where guests unwind, so make it comfortable and clean. Vacuum carpets, dust surfaces, and fluff cushions. Check for any overlooked items. A tidy living space is a welcoming one. Lastly, don't forget the finishing touches. Add a touch of luxury with scented candles or fresh flowers. Consider leaving a welcome note for your guests, creating a personal connection and making their stay memorable. And there you have it, vacation rental cleaning that will make your property shine. A clean and well-maintained space not only earns you great reviews but also ensures happy and satisfied guests. Thanks for joining us today. Happy hosting!